All right, you're welcome. And this lesson, we'll be going straight to the point. And in the last lesson, we talked about the use of some certain tools to design cover pages. And we made mention of some softwares, and we said that majority of the persons coming into the graphic industry may not have the laptops to use. And then, so if you are designing a cover page for a client and then you don't have a system, you end up using your mobile phone. And one of the software to use on mobile phone is the Canva. It's a popular graphic design app on your mobile phone that used to give designs to certain things, be it wedding or burial or church programs. So there are a whole lot of templates contained in this Canva, and you can choose from any of the templates and edit them and use it for any of your work. So on the other side, we have CorelDRAW, we have Adobe Illustrator, we have Photoshop, and a whole lot of other computer applications for graphic designs. And we are aware that you may not have access to this software, or you may not have a computer, and that's why we've put up this Canva tool for you to use to design this. Now, someone came to ask me I should put up this video that he really wants to learn how to use Canva to design the front page cover. All right, and that is basically what I'm doing now. All right, so first and foremost, you have to download the app from your PC. The name of the app is called Canva, Canva. So once you go to Play Store, type Canva, and then you download the software. Once you've downloaded it, you open up the software, and you may likely need to sign into the app. All right, you sign up first using your username to say your Gmail or any of your email address, and then you complete the registration. So you'll be starting. We have the pro plan of it, but you can use the free version to design whatever you want to do for these ebook cover designs. Now, once you log into your account, you likely see stuff like this. And we have different templates for Instagram posts, for stories, for posters, and a whole lot of other designs for logos. You want to design logos, you can choose from any of these logos and get your design. So we have for different invitations here, for wedding invitation, maybe graduation invitation, and other templates. So you can choose from any of these templates and begin to work with. So in our case, it's going to be cover ebook. So you head over to this more. There is this option that says the more button here. So you tap on this more button, and tap on the more button here, and then you scroll through here, and you see this book cover. So there's a book cover here. So tap on the book cover. Once you tap on it, there are a whole lot of other book cover designs here. So you can pick from any of these. All right, let's go with, so you can create from scratch. There's an option to start from blank here, which you can do, and then just tap on the plus sign here. All right, maybe to pick any of the styles. You can pick from styles here, from templates. You can add a text here, you can add some elements here. All right, you can add images from your gallery. That's if you are starting from scratch, but most of the time starting from scratch may take your time, but I do advise you pick a template. All right, so make sure you just pick any of the templates here. All right, any of your templates here. So let's pick this, and then give a very simple design. This sort, I'll say building web pages. All right, so let's just give it that name, and then once you tap on that element, we can reduce the font. You can either use this grip here to reduce the size of this element, or you can decrease the font size. Right, we have option for font size here. This is about 147, so you can reduce the font size of that. Right, let's say to about 110. Okay, then push this up. Building web pages. Let's give space between B and the P. You can just tap here and then maybe put in your name by Grace Peter. So we have this picture here. That's okay. We have this picture. You can replace this picture by going to maybe your Google browser here, just PNG picture. That's going to be a transparent picture. We have this other website called the pngwing.com. It's a website that displays where you can find different PNG images, right? Those pictures were just too big. We need a smaller picture of this. So okay, let's just use something like this. But I guess you understand what you are saying. So find a backgroundless picture, and we said you can find that as this website pngwing.stuff. Find it there and then just download it and then click on download again. Let's use this. So tap on this and then we replace it. Go to all images. So let's replace this with this, and then let's go back to the crop. Sorry, let's go back to crop. So you are looking for the full this, looking for the full picture. So you can rotate this image. Okay, aspect ratio, we can pick this. All right, you can pick this, and then so we can use this to reduce the size of the image. Okay. All right, so this is just something that we're talking about. So you can use this to all these ones to rotate it, and all right. So this is what we are looking at. In your case, it could be anything. So I'm just showing you the typical way of designing a cover page. So once you are done with this, once you are done with that, just come up here and then tap on share. Just tap on